Hey everyone, good morning. It's me, Endrit Cela, and you're tuned in to Capital Markets Quickie, where we break down the latest market happenings every weekday morning. Let's dive into what went down in the stock market yesterday. So, U.S. stocks closed mixed on Monday, marking a volatile start to the first trading day of June. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite finished the day in positive territory, up about 0.6% after flip-flopping throughout the trading session. The benchmark Standard & Poor's 500 did the same, rising about 0.1%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average recovered from steeper losses to shed more than 100 points, or around 0.3%. A weaker than expected reading on the manufacturing sector pushed the major averages lower as investors debate the future path of Federal Reserve rate cuts. Bond yields also moved to the downside, with the 10-year Treasury yield falling about 11 basis points to trade near 4.40%. Meanwhile, a surge in GameStop shares grabbed the spotlight, firing up speculation again of a return to a 2021-style meme rally. The stock skyrocketed over 100% at one point after a Reddit post, apparently by Keith Gill, aka Roaring Kitty, showed a big bet by the influential trader. Fellow meme darling AMC's shares shot up as much as 27% alongside the move. Shares of GameStop, which were briefly halted for volatility, paired gains to about 20%. AMC finished the day up roughly 10%. That is one crazy ride, all within one trading day. I wouldn't recommend it. Well, there you have it. That's the latest from Wall Street. Thanks for tuning in to Capital Markets Quickie. Be sure to subscribe for your daily dose of market updates, and I'll catch you tomorrow with the freshest news. Have a great day, everyone.